This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. We've got this brand new 2026 Peterbilt 567 in the beautiful legendary green color. It's got a 20,000-pound steer axle, dual steering gearboxes, 315 ADR 22.5 steer tires. It's got polished Alcoa aluminum wheels, got a polished 100-gallon fuel tank, def tank with a polished stainless cover, frame mounted toolbox. It's got a 16-foot Tebco insulated body, the extra marker lights down the side, the electric tarp. It's got 46,000-pound rears with Hendrickson Haulmaax suspension, 391 gears, full locking differentials, and 11R 24.5 drive tires. Got our standard swing gate. This truck does have your trailer air and electrical connection plumbing at the back here, so if you want to put a pintle hitch on it. Got our polished Space Saver battery box with 2 polished air tanks. Steps are all polished. Single side of cab exhaust, chrome mirror covers, chrome hood mirrors, stainless visor, 2 roof mounted air horns, some extra strobe lights mounted up in the front of the bed. Got our tapered chrome front bumper with a heavy duty toe pin. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our PACCAR MX13. It's 455 horsepower. And behind that, we've got our PACCAR tx-12 Pro Series 12-speed automated transmission. Got a spotlight mounted on the roof up there. Inside, this truck does have platinum interior. 2 air ride leather seats. Our body controls. It's got the pull-out workstation above the glove box. Our 7-inch infotainment center with touch screen and Apple Carplay. Up top, we've got the uniden bearcat CB radio. Got our premium leather wrap multifunction steering wheel. It's a beautiful truck. If you can use it, give me a call, 706-372-4698.